So from day one, not really knowing what I was doing, then finding a technique on day 2 that really suited. I think it suits me. My technique is I will pick up the left side of the hair in between my ring finger and my index finger. I will clamp the middle part of the hair with like pincers, pinchers, crabs. There's loads of people with loads of different techniques. And then I will grab the left side of the hair with, again, in between my ring finger and my middle finger. And the motion is I pick up, I swoop under, I grab. Now I'm going to go through showing you essentially exactly how I do it, and if anyone can help me find any better techniques, please, what they got to do?
Comment down below.
Before I even attempt to start the braiding, the most important thing is sectioning of the hair. First thing I do is part the hair straight down the middle, all the way from front to the back of the hairline, right down to the back of the head. I take my time with this because the cleaner the parting is, the cleaner the braids will look at the end. Once I've split it evenly into 2 sides, I tie up the sides nice and tight. I make sure it's completely out of the way, so I'm focusing on one side at a time. That just keeps everything neat, controlled, and a lot less stressful while I'm learning. Alright, this is where the braid actually starts. I've already sectioned the hair into 3 parts, left, middle, right. Because this is a Dutch braid, everything goes under and not over. So I take one side, go underneath the middle section and pull it through. Then I switch. I take the opposite side, go underneath the middle and pull that through. That under movement is what makes the braid sit on top of the hair instead of it blending in. After a couple of crosses to lock it in, I start adding hair. Each time I go under, I grab a small section from underneath. Add it to the side I'm holding and then pull it into the middle. Left, under, add hair. Right, under, add hair. And we just keep repeating that pattern all the way down. The key thing is, I'm focusing on here is keeping my tension tight and my sections really clean. As I'm working my way down the head, I make sure I'm picking up even amounts of hair each time so the braids stay balanced. That obviously always doesn't work out because I'm really new to this, so each day it is genuinely getting better and better. And once I reach the back of the hair, there's no more hair to add, so I just keep braiding normally, still going under. It's essentially the same pattern, just without any extra hair. All the way down to the ends, and that's it. I'm still learning every day. This is still such a hard process, and I feel like I did really well on this side, and I was so happy. I was like, I did really well.
That's my...
Even like the braids at the bottom, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe that's my first braid where I've done where I was really happy.
That's definitely my best. What's this bit called? Flat. That's my best part I've done.
don't know if it's the best braids I've done, but it's definitely the best cut.